Welcome aboard the new 2024 Beneteau Antares 11, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. With an overall length of just over 36 feet, the flagship of the Antares fleet is the perfect definition of a weekend cruiser. Safe, ideal for cruising and seaworthy, the design of the Antares 11 focuses on comfort and space, as well as safety and innovation. The side swim platform, which is also an easy and safe boarding platform, is operated hydraulically from the control switch. Her twin Mercury 300 horsepower V8s pair perfectly with the hull, offering a smooth drive and efficient ride. The large aft deck area is an inviting space with easy access to the swim platform and to both side decks. The large center removable table is easy to move around, both open and closed. The side decks are large and safe with high railings that make the decks safe and secure. A large sliding door makes the deck access from the helm quick and effortless. Going forward to the bow, the high railings continue forward, adding to the security of this vessel. On the bow, you are greeted with reclining deck cushions and a retractable bimini top that makes this the perfect place to relax and enjoy the sunset. The anchor locker offers easy access to the ground tackle, a Lumar windlass, and the handy windlass remote. This Antares 11 is equipped with a flybridge that is quickly and easily accessed by the adjustable ladder. The flybridge offers an unobstructed panoramic view around the vessel. The helm offers the same full controls that are also at the main helm, and includes a chart plotter. Along the port side is a large table and seating area, along with a sun deck. Below the aft deck space is a mechanical room that contains the generator, batteries and battery management equipment, along with storage space. Sliding aft doors open wide and allow the inside and outside spaces to flow and blend together. The large wheelhouse is comfortable and accommodating and has both been designed to maximize the space with a table with folding leaves that is also adjustable both forward and aft, excellent storage, and a very functional galley. The forward section of the port settee flips over to create a forward-facing seat. The helm seat offers a commanding view forward, and a large sliding door makes exiting from inside the boat to the side decks easy and safe. This vessel is equipped with a wide range of electronics at the helm, including a large Garmin chart plotter, electronic engine instrument displays, bow thruster controls, and the Mercury joystick piloting controls. With 360-degree fingertip controls, joystick piloting makes docking and close-quarter boat handling easy. The Skyhook digital anchor system uses GPS to maintain your position with a push of a button. The innovative galley offers a basin sink, stove, and easy-to-access refrigerator and ample counter space. Heading below deck, there is a hallway space that provides easy access to the cabins, head, and more storage space, plus an additional refrigerator. This vessel boasts a large and very functional head, a beautiful sink, an electric toilet, and a large walk-in shower. The large aft cabin is a bright and comfortable space that can easily accommodate 3. The spacious, comfortable, and bright V-berth has easy access to the bed along each side of the bed and large windows along the cabin, providing a wonderful view outside the vessel. There is a significant amount of storage space in closets and compartments along both sides of the cabin. For owners or guests, this is the perfect place to relax on anchor, at a dock, or underway. Whether overnighting, entertaining, or cruising, the Antares 11 is designed to help you do it all. Propelled by its twin Mercury 300s, you will have the power and the comfort to go almost anywhere. To book your appointment to view this 2024 Beneteau Antares 11, contact Little Yacht Sales.